Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this clapboard. So director's clapboard, give you a little manual, give you a dry eraser, let's see, a little cloth inside, little tool, and this is it. So, great for different props, different plays. If you're making your own movies, if you're just having fun. And action! Or do they say action first? Action! So, well, to kind of put it this way, they do that, and, well, it depends on who you talk to. Most people do it for editing. So it all has to do with the editing. For example, to know when to cut a scene, so for me, example, what you guys don't see on camera, or, you know, sometimes I actually let it slip or add a blooper, but I like to say 3, 2, 1, and then I know that's when I start a video, or that's where I edit a video. So what movies and filmmakers do is action. So they know after that click sound, that's when they split the video, or that's when they start the video or edit the video. So it's always after that. And they have the different scene on here, camera director, you know, you have all this stuff. So they would have that in front of the camera, action, and move away. So yeah, it's nice. They give you 2 drawing pens. So you can write on here, and it does show up very clear. So you guys can see. Yeah, it's nice. Looks like it's high quality as well. Yeah, I like it, guys. And then you just clean off what you write. And continue. So whatever use you need, it's nice. I might start doing that for my video. And, you know, instead of 3, 2, 1, I might just do, so I know. I'm gonna have to think about that. Pretty cool.